blood clots. But now he's fine. Okay.
He shoots lasers from his eyes. Should have never given me the nanotech, cause now I kill motherfuckers with my nanotech style.
Yo! Are you guys peeping Jergens on the side?
Thieves, a bunch of swines, living a lie, sucking dick all the time.
Bad, but what?
If you really want it, we can do that.
Yo!
I'd rather just hold hands with you.
Yo! I love the Northern boys. You look at Jergens over there. Jergens ready to hold hands.
All aboard the sex train. All aboard the sexy train.
Cause she's gonna all aboard my sex train, you know what I'm saying?
Never ride, you sexy bastards, and don't go home till you're up the door. Fuck yeah!
God, I love these guys. Where have you been all my life? Can you adopt me, please?
There's a German man, his name's Jürgen.
Yeah, Jürgen! Jürgen!
He's a tiny man. He's a frying pan. I'm just high, but I'm a dying man.
Yo, that was sick. Yo, Jürgen.
I ain't got time for the drama. Hopping on the train, motherfucker, choo-choo.
Oh, choo-choo. Hey, choo-choo, mother. All aboard the sex train. All aboard. All aboard the sex train. All aboard the sex train.